strong back, could go back a little bit, give the rocket some freedom to move. And again, that's about halfway up the screen there. Looks like a giant T that's moving away from the vehicle now a little bit. That'll let the vehicle move. You see the smoke coming out there. That is the venting of that liquid oxygen. We want to keep those tanks fully pressurized. That pressurization will stop at about T-minus 1 minute.
Second stage engine fires twice, eventually sending the stage and payload out into geosynchronous transfer orbit around the Earth. So that gives you a feel for the sequence of events we're planning to demonstrate on this flight of the Falcon Heavy. Everybody right now is reporting things look nominal. The checkout sequences are good. We're closing out propellant load at T-minus 3 minutes and 16 seconds and counting. Let's watch and listen in to the final countdown of Falcon Heavy.
Okay, right now about 3 minutes before launch. Again, the delay is going to be between 12-13 seconds or so. So we'll actually be launching while the clock is still clicking down. Next major milestone, the flight computer sequencer should begin at 1 minute 30 seconds. After that, the tanks will go to flight pressure at 1 minute.
Angle of 88.3 degrees.
All right.
Okay, about 2 minutes from launch now.
All right. 2 minutes and counting.
The flight computer sequencer should be starting in about 20 seconds.
Falcon Heavy is on internal power.
Okay, the Falcon Heavy is now on internal power, which means they've got the batteries turned on to operate the vehicle.
Yay.
You should hear something about the flight computers very shortly.
Ground gas closeouts is starting.
Getting ready to go to flight pressure. You should hear that announcement in just a few seconds from now.
1 minute. Uh-oh. 1 minute left. The 14-second delay, so there's really 36 seconds left.
Go for launch.
Go for
the
launch.
Flight director has just given the go for launch. That's at 45 seconds. Next major event is the ignition sequence at T-minus 2 seconds.
2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Again, the launch should occur when you see around 12 over there. So very shortly.
2 minutes, 15
All right.
seconds. Flight pressure. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0. Ignition.
There it is! Okay, folks, if you are very quiet, in about 20 seconds, you'll really hear something. So if everybody's nice and quiet, get ready and you'll hear something in just about 5 or 10 seconds.
There it is.
Very quiet now.
Center core at deep throttle.
Plus 33 seconds into flight. Under the power of 5.1 million pounds of thrust, Falcon Heavy is headed to space.
Do you hear that? Oh my gosh. Dang.
that smoke you just see as we're going through the thermocline. That's very, very normal. The temperature in the upper atmosphere is very different when it gets faced with that flame. You'll see the vehicle expanding, the vehicle exhaust expanding. That's very normal.
Dang, that is awesome.
Okay, in about 45 seconds, those side boosters will burn off, so you want to keep your eyes on that.
Can I zoom in further? I can. Thank you, Samsung. Connect zoom.
Okay, in about 15 seconds, you'll see those boosters separate.
Sorry, I lost.
Okay, that booster separation should occur in about 3 seconds.
Yeah, what was it?
Now look at the video on the overhead displays over here at our Jumbotron, and you should see the boosters separate away from the vehicle.
Pico.
And there they go.
Oh.
Okay, again, you're going to be looking towards the Atlantis exhibit. You're going to be looking towards the Atlantis exhibit because we should be landing, and that landing at 42:51, so that's about 4.5 minutes from now.
The center core has throttled back up to power.
Okay, the video that you're seeing on the screen right now is from the onboard camera. You're looking downward from the onboard camera.
Engine cutoff of the center core and separation ignition of the second stage.
Now what you're going to be looking at, again, on the Atlantis display towards that orange tank, in that area, you'll see a bright orange flame as the two vehicles will be coming back to Earth. That landing should occur 7 minutes 51 seconds in, which is 42:51. A little less than 4 minutes from now. Now you'll also get a view here. The second stage at the top of the screen there is just igniting right now. And you're going to get the video from